Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about safety device in tower crane. Trolley traveling limiter, hoisting limiter, lowering limiter, derricking limiter, slewing limiter, maximum load limiter, load moment limiter. Jib angle indicators, if applicable. Effective braking systems, that is fail-safe with the brake automatically. Applied whenever there is power failure or when there is free falling of the luffing jib or the hoisted load. An efficient braking or locking mechanism installed directly onto the luffing drum to prevent the free falling of luffing jib for luffing jib tower crane. A radius and safe working load indicator that shows at all times the working radius and the corresponding safe working load and gives an audible alarm and visual warning signal when the radius or the working load is unsafe. Safe access, ladder with hoop guards to the operator's cabin with rest. Landings at every interval not exceeding 10 meters of the climbing mast. 4. Vertical climbing mast without rest landings, adequate safety lines with full arresting devices for the attachment of safety lanyards shall be provided and maintained. Gangway with tow guards at both sides shall be fitted along the jib, boom. A handrail or guard safety line to which a worker's safety harness can be attached shall be fitted all along the length of the gangway. Such installation shall comply with ISO 11660-3:1999 cranes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.